Hi guys, how are you all doing? Thanks for stopping by onto my channel. My name is Natty, Natty. Well, today we have this glam. Yes, I have the confidence of saying the sweet look glam. Okay, so this is how I recently do my makeup. I hope you're going to enjoy. I hope you're going to learn something, some new tips, some new techniques, some don'ts. As in the videos you will see the don'ts. Absolutely, please don't be me on some parts, but without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So before we start with the makeup, I'm going to prep my face, like starting with the primer. I have already done the skin prep, so we're going to skip that. I am going to start straight with primer right on my face, and then I will use my hands like to spread the product. Everything is in, right? I'm not going to use the setting sprays today for my skin prep. I want this look to be matte today, and that being so, I'm going to use a setting powder just before applying my foundation, and I'm using this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm just going to go in with a puff sponge, so we have to work for that. I'm going to go over my nose area, like my nose bridge and my T-zone. We look funny right now. You really have to trust the process on this one. Okay, so my face looks ashy right now, but that's not the thing. The thing is we want a matte look today, and the Laura Mercier is going to help us with that. Setting powder, guys, like as you can see. At this point, I really love how my foundation looks like. It is a well settled matte look foundation as of now. There's not too much oil on my face and it is lightweight. So I'm going ahead to apply some concealers and I'll be right back. Dark foundation, as you can see right there, and I'm going to place it on this area here. For the love of brighter under eye, I'm going to add a second layer of concealer, and I'll also wait for it to sit for at least 3 minutes as the first coat, as I had done for the first coat. So for it to be blended, we'll have to wait. Okay, meanwhile, I'm going ahead and I am using my blushes, and we'll be back. So I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to go all over the places that I had highlighted with concealer. Okay, I think this was a little bit too much, but we will control that. Okay. Plus Okay, so the next part is this one, guys. We're doing that. We're doing that. Okay. Davis Brown lip eye pencil. This I use it for both functions, like the eyebrows and the lip lining. It is for both functions. So yep. Okay, how do I do my lip lining? So good. Okay, we're starting. First, I make sure like I have a lighter shade of a powder. It could be a translucent setting powder or a pressed powder, but a bright shade. And for that purpose, I'm going to use the Kiko. I'm going to press it using this puff. Okay, and I'm going like here. As you can see, will look funny, but funny not funny. Okay, so I'm going all around my lips. Okay guys, I hope you're seeing that. I hope you're seeing that this is not a plastic surgery. This is a lining. Okay, take that technique from me and from any other moa who does this. Thank you. And make sure that the pencil is really sharpened, just like that. Okay, great. Okay, mind you, we overline on top like this, then going this way, you try to go in. Okay, 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 great. So we're going to go in. Just like that. And go in. Just like that, right there. Okay. You have to define your lips. See how they're looking like. I went in, okay? And then I'm just going following my natural lip lines now. What we're going to do is we're going to make a U, okay? Make a U. Ooh. How about that? Is it nice? Then do not exceed the lines that you have made as your limits, okay? And then great. I like it. Okay, so the ends are going to have like more of lip lining, like to contour the ends. You need to take your time. Okay, so as you can see, guys, I have really did the work on lip lining. I took my time. Yeah, please make sure that you take your time in applying your lip liner. Okay, and then after that you're going in with your favorite lipstick shade. And as for me, as of recent, this is what I love. See the color. Guys, see the color. This is the color I fell in love with of recent. So I'm going to apply this as the middle part shade, and yeah, we'll see. Ooh. She's fine, guys. I like her. So I'm going ahead and I'm going to blend her into this brown. I don't want it to look like ombre, although it is already ombre. The fact that she's a lip pencil gives me so much joy. So guys, that's it for today. Please do not forget to follow me on Instagram at NattyRichard, and do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube. Please be my subscriber. We have good things here. I hope to see you next time. See you throughout.